Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about the differences between refraction and reflection. Check this out. For this demonstration, I'm going to use an assortment of glass prisms, a mirror, and a laser. In the case of reflection, light is traveling through the same medium, hitting a solid surface that's usually shiny like a mirror, and bouncing back, where the angle of reflection and the angle of incidence are the same. In the case of refraction, however, the medium changes. Light travels through air and then it travels through glass. When it travels through a medium that's denser, it tends to slow down and change direction. And you can see that with this prism. As light enters the prism here, it changes direction and goes this way. And as I move the laser, you can see that illustrated again as it changes in this direction. So in this example, I have 3 prisms side by side. When I beam my laser through the first one, the ray of incidence will change to a refracted ray as it changes direction through each prism. Check this out. There it's changing direction, it hits the second prism, changes direction again, hits the third prism, and it changes direction again. If I move it in the first prism, the other lines in the second prism move as well. Okay, so when you're considering these examples of refraction, remember that when light travels through a denser medium, it slows down. When light's traveling just through air, it's going about 300 million meters per second. But when light travels through glass, it changes direction and it slows down to about 200 million meters per second. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.